Dr. Akanksha Mukwane and I have secured All India rank 221 in NEET MDS 2022 examination. Recently after counselling, I have got Government Dental College Aurangabad Prosthodontics Department. This video is all about my journey of NEET MDS exam preparation and special emphasis will be given upon what all mistakes I did during my preparation so that all my juniors can get benefit from this and they can do well in their examination. So let's get started. This journey of me started with a dream of doing masters, that too in the branch of my interest and that too from Government Dental College only. I started my preparation from internship, but since I did few mistakes during my preparation, I have to give a repeat attempt. So basically for this examination, we have to study all the subjects we studied during our PDS. But since we have very limited amount of time after our final year results, we have to be very concise during our preparation. So the best advisable way to study for this examination is to start studying from the MCQ books, understanding the concept from the textbook as well as from explanation and synopsis. So first mistake that I did during my preparation is while studying the MCQ book itself. While studying the MCQ book, I used to make huge notes of them. That is not advisable because while revision, we have to revise both MCQ book as well as our notes, which is not possible. If at all, if you have the habit of making notes, make them short, make them concise so that you can revise your notes as well as your MCQ books also. Next is time management. Time management is one of the most important aspect of our exam preparation. Managing timeline, doing all our subject within the given time is the most important thing. So making timetable on our own was a bit difficult for me because I am bad at that. So the best way that I did is I joined a good coaching institute and I followed their timetable itself. So I was a student of CD's Institute, and while studying the subject also I followed their timeline since I was classroom student, and during test series also I followed their timetable. Then the most important thing is one book rule. So while looking for the MCQ books, you will get n number of authors in market, so you have to choose on your own or by asking your seniors. I followed Pulse. So I stick to Pulse itself, and certain subject specific MCQ books are also there, like Sparsh Gupta for pharmacology, Vivek Jain for community dentistry, Jitendra Sharan for orthodontics, Arvind Arora for microbiology. So in our institute, sir used to tell us which particular topic you have to study from that subject specific MCQ book. So I used to make notes of those topics, and then I used to study those notes only, and then I used to come back to my Pulse. You can use other book also. I don't want to promote that Pulse or anything, but you can read any MCQ book of your choice, but basically you have to stick to that book itself. Now I would like to share you about my daily schedule. So I used to divide my day in 4 slots, that is morning slot, afternoon slot, evening slot and night slot. So in first slot, that is morning slot, I used to do mock examinations. Mock examinations are provided to us by our institution through the BDS Next app. So I used to do 2 mock examinations, that is 400 questions during morning time. Then after breakfast, I used to do subject 1 of that weekend examination. Then in evening slot, I used to do subject 2. In between, when I get bored during doing that subject, I used to do image based question also. And during night slot, I used to see previous year question papers. I think I have covered most of the topic relevant to the NEET MDS exam preparation. If at all any queries there, you may text me in the comment section. Also, you can text me on the Instagram. I will try my level best to solve your queries. So I just want to tell you a short one more thing that is related to the 2022 examination specially. So this examination was not just the examination of that 22 subject, 21 subjects, but also the examination of our that level of patience, because it got postponed thrice, almost thrice, and preponed once. So frequently we have to change our schedules, we have to plan our studies accordingly. The December exam got conducted in the March. It was not like that we got 5 months extra. Every time they used to postpone by 2 months or 1 month, like that. So this may be one of my mistake ki I used to get panic so early ki oh my god, this exam is going to postpone, how I am going to study more, I don't know, I don't have that patience and all. So first thing, in future, if ever your exam is going to get postponed due to any technical error, technical issue, or some cases are going on, I don't know, you have to stay calm, you have to stay patient, and you have to stay steady, because few things are not in our hands. Ideally, the administration should not do, the exam conducting board should not do these things. They should think about us, like what we have to face, what we have, how much stress we are under during this postponement news and all. But we have to stay calm, we have to study well, and I hope you all will do well. All the best.